gonna be able to see, but it's so funny.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You said you live down here, right?
Yeah. Let's do it in the butt.
I like it.
You bleed by doing that.
What?
After
You fart really, really bad.
and then you get a poop noodle. A poop noodle.
What'd you just say?
After your butt sucks, you get a poop noodle. Do you know what that is? Because, you know, after your penis has been in somebody's ass, there's like shit that goes up into the hole of your penis. And then
Yeah. You get a piss poop.
Where do you live, bro?
You coming, girl? You going straight?
Yeah, girl. I'm like drunk right now, but I'm not.
Don't freak out. There's a cop behind us.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Take a laugh.
To the left, to the left.
Hey, why does Beyonce always say to the left, to the left?
Why?
Because black people have no rights.
That's horrible. Oh my god. That is awful.
I can't wait to go home and get naked and take a shower. Jessica, you're invited in Porsche if you guys want.
Oh, sure. Let's all take a shower.
Right.
I can hear your surround sound and your subwoofers.
It wouldn't be like the first time you guys have seen my wiener. Well, okay, you kind of saw it in our underwear party, but you saw the outline. Just wait till later, you can see the whole business.
What?
Take a laugh. Right here. Black truck. Past it.
You have to do an illegal U-turn.
You can see mine pretty good too because I got my pants. The whole front of my pants were wet, so it was like sticking to my wiener.
That was so funny. That underwear party was fantastic.
Oh my god.
We
I'm gonna come back every year.
I know. I know. I'll say fuck the play. I just want to be part of the. No, I'm just kidding. I won't say fuck the play, but yeah, I'm gonna come
I
visit.
feel like it would have been better if we were all making out.
Yeah.
foster children.
No, it was perfect the way it was. Just like totally
small or worn out.
spraying people.
Every time it happens when I have an underwear party, everybody starts making out. That's the only time it's never happened.
I know, it's perfect. Yeah, it started like during the last play. You know how it started, right?
No.
Yeah, on the last day,
Right here.
on the last day, if you can't take it with you, everyone got naked, pretty much.
The
It was
rest of
awesome.
the kids to help. Sleep Country
That's
is
awesome.
collecting.
It was awesome. Well, we
It only gets awkward when someone gets a boner though.
I know.
Alright, bye.
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 Bye, Jordan.
Tops and skirts to any Sleep Country.
That was all the most awkward thing I think
You can
of.
also donate online at
He just put his finger up my
Bye,
nose.
guys.
Bye.
Sleep Country thanks you.
Not everyone can be a foster parent, but anyone
That's
can help a foster parent.
Dibs,
Help a
dibs.
local foster care. Bring your gift, new clothes,
I love
at the
it.
store, or donate online at
Oh,
sleepcountry.com
Jordan.
today.
Jordan.
Jordan Prima.